Hey friends, let's do a lone guitar lesson by heart, and with this song we're tuned to E flat. Now there's no guitar in the verses, but I'll give you a guitar version that'll sound like the piano. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on this B minor. We're going to play the B and the G string, and then just the A string, and do that 2 times. Then we're going to G, still play the B and the G string, but the 3rd fret on the B and the open G. Then play low E and do that again, and then play the high E. So then go to an A, still playing the B and the G string, open A, G and B, open A. So now we're going to play the 3rd fret on the E string, 2nd fret on the B and open G, open G and B, 2nd fret on the G, open G. So that part there. Then we're going back to the B minor, but this time we're going to play the 4th fret on the D string, the G and the B together, and then jump to the 3rd fret on the E, and we're going to start on that G again. So we have slowly to the G, and that 3rd, and then we just do the G again the same, the A the same. Now to finish that off, we're going to play the 4th fret on the D, 3rd on the G, then play 4 D and G, and then 3 on the G, 2 on the B, and then just 4 on the D. So, and that's our intro there, and it's also our verse, which we play through 2 times. Now let's have a look at the pre-chorus. So we're just starting on a G, we're playing the B and the G string, 3rd fret on the E, and do that 2 times. Then we're going to a D over F sharp, again still playing the G and the B, and then 2nd fret on the E, and do that 2 times. Then go back to the G, and it's going to be a G over E, so open G, 3rd fret on the B, and then an open E, and do that again. Then just go to D, still playing the G and the B, and then open D 2 times. So slowly there. To the D. Repeat that all again to the G, the D over F sharp, the G over E. Then just go to an A sus4, strum that, an A, and then just play the D. So the D and the G string to the open D, and we do it 8 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have the heavy guitar kicking, so let's have a look at that. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps me out. So let's get back into it. So we're just starting on this E power chord, go back to a C power chord, then just play a G chord, just play the whole lot except the bottom E string, and then a D power chord, and do that through 3 times there. So E, C, G, D. And then to finish off, we're doing a G over B, so 2nd fret on the A, open D, and G, 3rd fret on the B. Go to a C add 9, to a D, and do that through 2 times. And that's our chorus, and then we have the clean guitar coming in under that, which again is a piano. So this is played on that last D in the chorus. So we're just playing the D chord like we did in the intro, the G and the B string to the open D, and we're going to do that 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the last one play the 2nd fret on the G and the B and the open D. So the last part, and that's our chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, that's exactly the same. Back to the pre-chorus, which is the same. And then we have the chorus again, and that's the same except for our first part, the E to the C to the G to the D. This time play that through 5 times there. Then we have the solo rhythm, and we'll do the solo at the end. Let's have a look at the rhythm first. So just starting the same as our chorus with the E power chord, to the C power chord, to the G, to the D. Do that 2 times. Then we're doing a C add 9, to a G over B this time, and then to a G over A. So this time we have open A, D, G, 3rd fret on the B, to a G chord. Then we go into this D over F sharp, D over E, to D, and then we got this D over C. And that's our solo rhythm there, and as I said, we'll do our solo at the end. And then from there we're just repeating the end of the chorus. Let me do that for you. So we're just starting on the G over B, going to the C add 9, and then to a D. And just do that 4 times there, and then we have the last little clean part. This is the same as our end of our chorus, where we're just playing the D. To a D major 7. So just back to that 2 and 2, and then we just play that intro again. And that gives us all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're just starting with a bend on the B string 15. Do it again. Then release the bend and pull off to 12. Then bend again on 15. Then jump to E, play 14, 15. Then go 15 on the B. Then tap 20. Then 13 on the B, tap 20, 12 on the B, tap 20, 10 on the B, and then jump to the G string 12, pull off to 11, and then D on the 14. Then from there we're going to stay on that 14 on the D, we're going to palm mute 14 to G, 12 to B, 12, and then 13 on the B. Then do 15, slide up to 17. 15, hammer on to 17, pull off to 15, to G, 17, 16, so do a bend on 17B, release the bend, pull off to 15, and then 17G, then 14 on the D, 12 on the G, 15 on the B, 13 on the B, and then do 12, 13, pull off to 12, 14G, 12 on the B, start on the B, 15, 12, G, 14, then do 15A, 12 on the G, 15 on the B, and then G, 14, 12, stay on G, 12, 15 on the B, then do 13, slide to 15, staying on the B, 17, hammer on to 19, pull off to 17, G, 19, B, 17, 19, 20, 17 on the E, go back to B, bend on the 20, release the bend, pull off to 19, and then do a bend on 20 on the E. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed a lone guitar lesson by heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s glam, 80s metal and 80s rock songs, jump onto my YouTube channel. We have hundreds there. And I'll see you soon.